Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games using cloud gaming. Cloud gaming lets you stream video games over the internet, much like watching a movie. This means you don't need powerful hardware or to download huge game files. Instead, the game runs on a remote server, and the video feed is sent to your device. It's a fantastic way to access a vast library of games with minimal setup. Once you understand the basics, the next step is choosing a cloud gaming service. There are several excellent options available, each with its own unique game catalog and pricing structure. Consider what games you want to play and which devices you prefer to use. Many services offer free trials, which are a great way to experience the platform firsthand and ensure it meets your expectations before subscribing. Getting started is straightforward. After selecting your service, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Then, download their dedicated application to your device or simply access it through a compatible web browser. Most services work best with a game controller, but many also support keyboard and mouse input. Once everything is set up, you can browse the library and launch your first game instantly. To get the best experience, a few adjustments can make a big difference. A wired internet connection, like Ethernet, provides the most stable and lowest latency connection. Also, close any unnecessary background applications on your device to ensure maximum bandwidth and processing power are dedicated to your game stream. You can often tweak in-game settings to balance visual quality with responsiveness. For other great deals, including those handy meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.